Bill Gates issues warning to the world about Elon Musk. He's not a big Elon guy. Did you know that?
Yeah, they had beef before because was it Bill Gates was shorting Tesla?
That was it. That was the thing. And, well, to be fair, he wasn't the only one.
Yeah.
There were a number of people behaving in that way, but I guess Elon wasn't super into it. I don't know what their relationship status is right now. Bill Gates has given a public warning to the world in regards to Elon Musk and the dangers of placing one's faith in the value of digital currency. Not a crypto guy, Mr. Gates. The crypto market, he said, was risky for individuals with less wealth than Musk, which is absurd given that he has the largest net worth of any individual on the globe. I guess they're talking about Gates or Musk. Oh, he's talking about Musk.
Musk, yeah. Like everybody is under his wealth status, so therefore nobody.
He is saying it's too risky for all of us, for everyone. It's too risky for him, for Gates.
Oh, yeah, I guess.
He's under Musk at the moment, depending on the day. He is specifically warning individuals who may wish to make money by investing in cryptocurrencies but do not have the vast wealth of persons like Musk. Obviously, this is what he means, is that the retail investor, the typical, the Mo and the Will, is who he's trying to protect. He's trying to protect you guys. According to the Guardian, the value of cryptocurrency, a Dogecoin has increased by 5,859%. Tesla accepts Dogecoin. Apparently, the U.S. government is going to be discussing crypto regulation, I believe, today.
Yeah. And the price shot up before the announcement.
Really?
Yeah.
So crypto... Mo.
Why would it shoot up before the announcement?
Shoot up, you say?
I'm guessing it's positive news, like once they announce it.
Yeah, because it makes it official.
Yeah.
It's like crypto is
looking
into it.
real.
I see.
It's a real thing. You're not outlawing it. You're figuring out a way to work with it. You're regulating it. So you're treating it like a bank or like a currency.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a real boy now. It's a Pinocchio reference. You ever heard of that, Mo?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you did perk a little bit, and Will recognized it.
Oh, yeah.
He recognized your perk.
I know all the signs.
Yeah. Up, you say? Did you say up today? We're like, Mo, why are you smoking a pipe right now?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you wearing a monocle?
That's me.
Why do you have a pocket watch?
Classy Mo.
Yeah. Investor Mo.
Monopoly Mo.
I like to envision a crypto Mo, but he's very old fashioned in the way that I just described.
So he has a pocket watch?
Yes, he does.
Okay.
This is what I like to imagine. What can I say? Yeah, okay, crypto's here for real. And I don't know, Gates, Musk, take your pick. These guys all have a variety of investments, and some are just a little bit more risk averse. Although you have the likes of Warren Buffett,
Who does not like.
No, but we had a report recently that he's investing in
the bank that invests in crypto.
I like what you're doing there. Yeah. I like how you did that and that.
Yeah. Well, because he's not putting his money in crypto. He's just putting his money in a bank that deals with crypto, which is actually kind of really, I don't know.
You know what, Mo?
Okay. Yeah. Where are we going with this?
This, you mentioned this to me earlier, how this show, having done this show, all of a sudden the variety of information.
Yeah.
I like
catalog of information I have now.
You know that Warren Buffett invested in a bank that invests in crypto.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
It's the things you learn on Later.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
You see, now, it's not just you. People watching this,
mm-hmm.
That's ammunition, informational ammunition.
There you go.
It's hard to know about all these things. You got to condense it. You got to be consistent. You got to be on the ball. Yeah. You got to be every day.
Date,
You got to be every day. It's increasingly important nowadays to know a little bit about a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
there's so much.
There's so much to know, and it's also interconnected that, yes, there is a tremendous value on knowing a lot about a few things, but there's an isolation that comes with that. If you spend all of your time becoming an expert in one specific thing, because the way that most of us are experiencing the internet, the way that most of us are experiencing these stories, the way that most of us are interacting with one another, there's a social requirement to know like a rough bit about a lot.
Yeah.
And that's a totally a relatively new task.
It's a difficult one to
It's
keep up
a
with
tough
it,
task. But I've asked this question previously on social media. I said, a little of a lot or a lot of a little?
Okay. And what do people say?
Well, I think a lot of people think, a lot of responses were a little of a lot.
Yeah. Which is...
Well, the internet hasn't really given us a choice on that.
Mm-hmm.
But historically, a lot of a little has been allowed a person to specialize
and
become a specialist. Yeah. But specialization in the modern space is increasingly difficult. We all even look at the jobs that we have in here or people that you know. Like everybody in here can do a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah. It's actually very true.
And it's much more important that you have a rough idea of all of the workings, a rough idea of all of the workings, than it is that you are absolutely amazing at only one thing and you can't do anything else.
Yeah. You hold more value with many skills.